Hi guys, it's Zoe
and Sarah,
and today we're going to be making a tea bag rocket.
For today's experiment, we're going to need a tea bag, a pair of scissors, a lighter or matches, and a non-paper plate.
And if you guys have a fire extinguisher at home, make sure to bring it out just in case anything happens. Along with some adult supervision and a fire extinguisher, this should go smoothly.
Safety first!
Take your scissors and open up the tea bag, then dump out all the tea. Either throw out the extra tea or save it for later. Unfold your tea bag so it's in the shape of a cylinder. Place your tea bag upright on the plate. It may take a few tries. Light the top of the tea bag. This experiment shows how heat rises.
Hot air rises because when you heat air, it expands. And when it expands, it becomes less dense than the air around it. Therefore, the less dense air will rise to the top.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video.
Like and subscribe to the Building Bridges Club channel on YouTube.
Bye!
Bye! Have a happy holidays!